tá a bá ń jẹun tó ń jẹ ò tètè digest tó yẹ pé gbogbo inú wa ó ń kún inú ń kùn a gbádùn ara wa, you are not enjoying yourself and you can't even eat much. Just look for clove that Yorubas call konofuru. This is it. Spring onion, coconut. You pour the clove, like handful of clove, 4 pairs of the spring onion, pour it in a blender. Then look for the normal onion that we use in cooking. That is the brown one, not the white. Cut just one of it inside the same blender. Then you break your coconut. The water of the coconut, you pour it in the blender. You will not add extra water inside it. After then, you cut the coconut into pieces as well. You blend everything together. It will turn to like a juice or a paste. It depends on how thick it is. Then you drink it in an empty stomach. Tẹ́ bá ti mú tán bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, á jẹ́ kẹ́ sùn. Gbogbo oúnjẹ tó wà nínú yín á digest. Gbogbo àwọn toxins tó ń disturb yín tó yẹ kẹ́ gbádùn ara yín yẹn, ya gbogbo ẹ̀ dànù. For more content, please kindly follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Asiwaju Elegboogi. We are also on TikTok at Asiwaju Elegboogi.